When intelligence and safety become the core of building, Zoomlion redefines the future of tower cranes with technology. Overall strength, world leading. Zoomlion serves as the Secretariat of ISO TC96 cranes and has led or participated in 30 international standards. Zoomlion has the world's largest tower crane smart factory and 11 global manufacturing bases, which can guarantee an annual output of 30,000 cranes and elevators. By acquiring Germany's JOST technology and Wilbert factory, Zoomlion combines German precision engineering with Chinese innovation, forging a unique legacy in tower crane technology. Backed by world-class prowess, Zoomlion has ranked #1 among global tower crane manufacturers list for 7 consecutive years. Technical accumulation, abundant. From China's first homegrown tower crane to AI-powered unmanned cranes, Zoomlion's 70-year journey redefines the global leadership of tower crane. From diverse lifting scenarios to challenging operating conditions, Zoomlion has delivered over 160,000 units and mastered 1.6 million projects, turning experience into excellence. With 1,259 patents, modular designs, universal compatibility, mobile counterweight technology, and interchangeable super tonnage tower section technology, Zoomlion boosts customer asset reuse by 60%. Decades of technological accumulation, extensive tower crane project experience, and innovation, Zoomlion defines the future of global construction and hoisting solutions. Technology level, most advanced. Zoomlion's complete tower crane series have now achieved all area safety with anti-overload, anti-impacting, anti-collision, anti-anchor, anti-skid hook, anti-typhoon and other safety features. Through remote management and ad hoc network technology, Zoomlion's tower crane can achieve remote debugging, remote security inspection, remote health supervision, etc., making our equipment management more intelligent. Zoomlion always adheres to the product concept of high-end, intelligent, and greenization, delivering all area safety across all tower crane operations. Service response, rapid. Over 30 national branches, 17 service centers, 11 global factories, 275 logistics hubs. Zoomlion always within reach. Zoomlion localized iron triangle teams deliver lightning-fast customized solutions. Zoomlion provides full lifecycle service for our every customers in the world. Reliable partner, more than you care. Trusted expertise, solutions tailored. In this rapidly evolving global landscape, Zoomlion remains committed to putting customers first. Through intelligent and safe innovations, we partner with builders worldwide to forge a sustainable future.